So today we're going to fix a wire on a clipper. The clippers are plugged in, and as you can see, it's coming on and off as you move the cable around. This is because there's a disconnection in the cable, so we're going to swap the cable around. So first of all, you've got 4 screws here. We're going to unscrew them all. Come on, there we go. So, once you've taken your screws, you can take that bit off, and then this top bit comes off like so. And that leaves you the cable and the 2 wires that screw in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to unscrew these 2 screws here. Remember which is your brown wire and your blue wire. Remember which way around they go, because that's going to matter when we put the new cable on. So using a flathead screwdriver, we're going to unscrew them. And then that will come off like so. So, discard that. We've got the new cable. We use the Wall Professional, which you can get from Groomers or eBay. You can get Andis ones, but these ones do work a bit better in my opinion. So this cable is not an exact fit because, as you can see, the difference between the two lengths of the wires are slightly different. So we're going to chop that one and chop that one, and then take a bit of the wire off. Take a bit of that wire off. And make sure you twist them up to make sure it goes in the hole properly before you screw them in. And then put them back in, like so. Once you have them in, you can screw them back in again. Then place your wire on this bit here, back in securely. Once that's in securely, we can then put the cover back on top, making sure that it fits all the way around. And start with your bottom screws to tighten these bit up to grip the wire first. And then your front screws. Make sure they're nice and tight. Don't tighten them up too much or you'll damage the case. And then we'll snap the front back on, like so. We should be able to unravel the cable. Plug them in, and as you can see, it's now not stopping at all. Thank you.